guys, good afternoon. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to share with you guys my continuation on getting prepared for wedding. Now, like I've shared with you guys, I've got a few that I'm working on. This one I'm working on right now, I'm excited to share with you because it's my son. And we're going to do a centerpiece and a bouquet, and also I won't tell you the next one. We'll save that for a surprise. They're all quick, easy, and inexpensive. So you can create a gorgeous wedding on a budget. So my goal is to share with you step by step each time I'm creating something for the wedding. So what you'll need is 2 cylinders. I hauled these from Walmart. And they have a heart on it because it was old product that Walmart had in store that they wanted to clearance out. I'm believing it was for Valentine's, but I think it'll be perfect for the wedding. So you can use Walmart or you can use the Dollar Tree. They're pretty much the same. The only difference, this is slightly taller. But I hauled these from Walmart for only 25 cents, guys. They were old merchandise. They're functional, so I'm good with that. I was very happy. I got 6 of them for 25 cents each. So how fabulous is that? So you will need 2 cylinders of your choice. You'll need a burlap ribbon, and these came from Hobby Lobby. It's Studio His and Hers burlap bow, and they have a little pearl on top. How cute is that? So we will need some bows. I'm thinking we're going to use some bows. We'll need the Dollar Tree rope, and these are the Nautica rope, decorative rope. You'll need the Dollar Tree little bowls. They come 4 in a pack. You'll need some pearls if you decide you want to add pearls to your cylinder. I am going to add pearls. You will need your glue gun and your glue sticks. So let's jump into this DIY, guys. I am so excited to share it with you. This can be used for centerpiece or with floral arrangements in it, or you can use it for candle holder. So you're going to lay a generous amount of glue down, and then you're going to lay your pearl right on top. We're going to go slowly and in sections. This is a rustic theme wedding, but I do want to add a little bit of glam to it. Just like that. And this is what we have, guys. I'm going to continue to do that. When you get to the bottom where your cylinder connects to the round bowl, you want to lay your glue up under your glass, the cylinder, and the rope. Then take your rope and push it up under. Hold it in place until it dries. Then continue the process. So I decided I want to incorporate some pearls. I want to add some pearls around the base of where I started originally. So this next DIY is going to be a bouquet. What you will need for this bouquet is some burlap roses, and I got those from Hobby Lobby, and it's the same brand, the Studio His and Hers. You will need some of these little pearls. They come on a pick, and they are beautiful. They've got stones, rhinestones, and pearls. I got 2 of them. I'm not sure how many I'm going to use. And then another pick with just the pearls. Now, I believe I will use all 6 of these burlap roses. So you'll need your burlap rose, you'll need some picks, and you'll need some flowers. So at Michael's, they sell bunches of flowers like these that's already put together. You can use them as a bouquet for your bridesmaid, maid of honor, even the bride. I am actually making this for the bride because it's going to be a rustic wedding, and these are her colors. So you will need 2 of the same color bouquets. I've got 2 of them, and then I have 1 of just plain white flowers. I think these are beautiful. I don't know the name of them. So we're gonna go ahead and take our bouquet and put them together, both bunches together. Forgot to mention that you will need your scissors, and you definitely are going to need some rope, burlap, and lace. So I want to go ahead right now though, before I get all those together, and put these 2 bunches together and begin to add my white all around. Okay guys, so our next wedding decor is going to be a hoop that we can hang all their pictures on for the wedding, that you can view different activities that they've done. So what you're going to need for this picture frame or picture holder is a hoop, the Dollar Tree small hula hoop. You'll need the burlap ribbon. You'll need one of these signs if you decide. I would like to have it because it is perfect for the wedding. It says a groom's rule. Remember to be patient, forgive, listen to each other, have fun and laugh. Be friends, communicate often, always say I love you. Be friends, kiss each other goodnight, live happily ever after. I think it's adorable. I want to incorporate that into this picture holder. You'll also need burlap bows, spray paint, I'm going to take this out, spray paint it black. You'll need your scissors, glue gun, and glue sticks. So let's go ahead, spray paint. And actually, first thing I want to do, I don't want this rattling going on in here. So I'm going to open this up and remove all those little pebbles that are in there. I've shared with you guys how to do this before. Okay, once you've pulled it out, you're gonna go ahead and get all your little pebbles out. Make sure it doesn't rattle anymore. So guys, I went ahead and glued some fabric onto the back of my sign just so that the back wouldn't look undone, you know, not finished. So I'm going to put that to the side, and now I went ahead and cut my ribbon in the sizes that I need, and I also want to put that to the side. I'm going to use the longer piece and divide my hula hoop in half. So I want to go ahead and loop it under. So I'm going to lay a generous amount of glue down. And then I want to bring that ribbon all the way down. So it's going to overlap the ribbon that I first glued, part of that ribbon. Now I want to bring it down. So when you do cut your ribbon, you need to cut it just a tad bit longer so you can overlap it. So let's flip this over and we'll do that again. This time we're going to tug on the ribbon so that it is nice and snug. Make sure this part is dry first. Then you want to tug on your ribbon. You can lay a generous amount of glue under and on top of your hoop. Tug on it, make sure it's straight. Bring it down. Guys, I forgot to mention that you will need these clothespins, and these are the miniature, tiny little ones, adorable, that you will need in order to pin your pictures onto your hoop. So you go ahead and lay them wherever you want them to align, line them up, and then begin to glue them on. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Put some pictures on there of both my son and his fiance and let you get a look at what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Love the way it looked. I went ahead and added the roses and the bows, and I think it turned out fabulous. If you like the way the 3 DIY turned out for this wedding, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.